Hey, Paul Hutchinson, another video here for my DJs. This one is all about creating charts on Traxsource. Now, this is a great way to show the producers that you love, that you're promoting their music and that you're playing their music out. It's a really good way to do this. All the big DJs have a Traxsource chart on Traxsource. You need to be on there too. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. So let's jump into it. Okay, DJ charts are a great way of promoting the music that you play on social media and on Traxsource itself. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. And if you stick around towards the end of the video, there's going to be a little special video as well on an incredible program called Klippr that's going to help you promote your tracks, all right? Stick around to the end. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It's going to be a good video. Let's go. When you go to the Traxsource page, you can see the DJ charts down the bottom here. And then when you go to the top here, it's got its own tab as well, the second one along. Traxsource Top 10, these are all the DJ charts. So there's literally a chart for the DJ charts. And it's quite simple how you create these charts. So what you do is you go through and you find all the new music that you want to put into your chart. And to do that, you just literally go through and play the tracks that you like. And then if you go up to the right hand side, you'll see underneath keys, there's an arrow pointing down. If you click on that, what that does is that shows you all of the tracks that you played. Okay, so there's 67 tracks in here at the moment. Now, the easiest way to do this is just to clear your playlist and literally start from scratch. So you want to find your 10 tracks and you're going to play them as you go through. So the best thing to do is have a rough idea of the tracks that you want in your chart. So listen to them ahead of time, then clear the list, then save them in. So let's go like this. So we're going to have Masters at Work in there. Okay, you'll notice that it says that there's 10 tracks in there, but there is actually only 9. So you just need to go back and add one more until it says 11. Then when we go back, this is where you then get the opportunity to put them in the order that you want. Then you just click on Save Playlist as a Chart and give it a name. Okay, and then you'll see our chart then jumps up to this. You've got the username at the top, Paul Hutchinson, February 22. Then what you need to do is to copy this link over onto the Traxsource label and content system. So let's take a copy of that link. And then this is the site that you need to go to. So it's labels.traxsource.com. You need to create an account, log into that. Then on the left-hand side here, you've got DJ charts. Then go over to the right, add new chart. And then this is where you post your link that you just got from Traxsource. So we paste that in and then click on Get Chart. And then there you go, there you can see your chart down the bottom there. All you need to then do is to add some artwork. So the image has to be 600 by 600 as well, okay? Just to make sure that you know that. Let's go, photo library is this one. You can also schedule what date the chart goes live as well. So you can change that if you want. Let's just leave it as it is for this one. And then click on Submit Chart. And there you go. Then this is the link that you then want to copy, and you can copy this into your socials. So we can open another tab, paste that in, and then there you go. There's our chart, and you can see it's official with your picture in the top left-hand corner. So now everybody can see this on your page. A good way to check is just to go to your artist page, and there you go. Then when you go to your artist page, you can see the chart there. And then just copy that link and share it into your socials. And another really nice way to do this as well is to share a video maybe of your #1 track. Okay, so then what you can do, there's another great site called Klippr, which is Klippr.video. This is a really great site. So create an account on here. And then what you do, and then create the video. Takes a few minutes. Okay, Okay, and then you can see the track here, and this is the bit that you will then share to your socials. You just click on the arrow down the bottom in the left-hand corner there, and it downloads the file to your phone or to your computer that you can then share on all your social channels. It's a great way to promote the music next to your chart as well, just like with the top track. And then you can see these are some of the others that I've done. So there you go, that's Klippr, Klippr, a great tool for promoting music on your social media channels. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Any questions you've got about it, just drop a comment below. I look forward to seeing your charts on Traxsource. Feel free to post the link below this video as well, so other people can hear the kind of music that you play. Can't wait to hear it. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to check out one of the other videos for some more tips and advice like this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on that bell.